Hello and welcome to today's video. We are going to discuss everything about Gelato and its features. Gelato is a print-on-demand product service with production in 34 countries where thousands of online stores connect to Gelato for customized items produced locally and delivered within an average of 72 hours. It is faster, smarter, and greener as well. It is associated with many clients like Optimal Print, Canva, Mapiful, Andy OK, Tesson Labeling, Broadway, Your Film Poster, and Noy Gallery. To get started with gelato.com, first off, if you already have an account, click on the sign in button on the top right corner. Enter your details here and then just click on sign in. On the other hand, if you are not a member yet, you need to create an account first. Click on the Get Started button on the top right corner to create an account. Here you have the option to sign up using your Google or Facebook or Apple ID. If you don't want to use these options, simply select the sign up with your email option and enter your name, email ID, and password here. Tick on Terms and Conditions, and if you want to receive news and insights from Gelato, then tick on the second box as well. Finally, click on Create Account. On the sign up page, you can also see that you have an offer of 50% discount on your first order, which is valid for 72 hours. After signing up, you will receive a verification email to the email address you used to sign up. This verification is only valid for 1 hour. Click on it to verify your email address. After the email verification is complete, you will receive a set of questions. The first question is, what's your goal with using Gelato? And as you can see, there are a set of 6 given answers and you will need to select one from any of these, which is launch an online business, I want to grow my business, sell products to my followers, earn money as an affiliate, shop for myself, just exploring. Select any one answer. If you want to start your own business with Gelato, then the correct answer will be launch an online business. So we're going ahead with that. There will be one more question, which is what products are you interested in? This question will depend on your previous answer. You have to select an answer from the given set of answers here, like clothing, wall art, paper print, drinkware, and other merch. After selecting your answer, then there will be one more question, which is how did you hear about us? Select the relevant answer from these, which is word of mouth, just Googling, review sites, blog, social media, influencer, other. After selecting the relevant answer, click on the finish button. You will be redirected to your dashboard. Now let's get into how to actually use Gelato. To get started with Gelato, you have to connect and integrate a store to your account or profile. This is a very easy process, so let's just look at how you can do it. Click on Store from the left sidebar on your dashboard. Here you can see that the free plan enables you to have 2 stores, upgrade to Gelato Plus to integrate up to 5 stores. To connect your store, scroll down to select your platform. Hover your mouse over any platform. Here you can see there are many platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Manual, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, BigCommerce, eBay, Amazon, Magento, ECWid, 3D Cart, Weebly, and API. Suppose you want to continue with Shopify, click on the Connect button. You will be redirected to shopify.com, where you will need to log into your Shopify account and continue to connect it to your Gelato account. If you want to know more about how to connect, click the How To button and you will be provided with a complete step-by-step guide on it. Now that we have connected the store, let's go to the product section. Click on the product catalog from the left sidebar. Here you can see all the categories of products. If you want to add men's clothing, click on men's clothing. Here you can see categories under men's clothing. Here you can see these are a few products under men's t-shirt. Click on any product. You will be taken to the product details page. Here you can see its complete description. You can see many pictures of this product on the left side. You can see the delivery time by selecting a country from this drop down menu. You can also select the color of your product by clicking here. You can see sizes available for it, and here is the price of the product. Here you can see a set of collapsible menus which include print specification, styles, fabric, special features. You can expand each of these to see the various options available. Scroll down to see the description of the product. Scroll even more to see the regional pricing. This is the list of prices. Scrolling more, you can see the list of countries that can produce your products. Here is the size chart, and you can see it in centimeters or inches by just toggling the options here. Here you can see file specifications for your design. Below are the care instructions for the product and the FAQ section. Now, if you're satisfied with all the details of this product and you want to add it to your store, scroll up to the top of the page. Click on the Start Designing button to start creating your design. This is the design page of your product. You can see some tools on the side left bar here. And to start creating your product, first select the color of your product and its size. If you want to add an image to your design, click on this File button. Choose a file. You can add an image from your device. After importing the file, click on the thumbnail of the image to add it to your design. Clicking on the image will give you the option to edit it, like zoom, rotation, flip, filter, and adjustment. You can drag it to any position you want. You can also add texts along with image. For this, click on the text button in the left sidebar and then click on Add Text. By clicking on the text, you can change its font, its size, color, alignment, and its position. Once you're done with designing your product, click on the Preview button. Take a look at it, and if you are satisfied with your design, click on the Save button on the top right corner. This will save your design as a draft. Here you can change the quantity and then scroll down to see a summary of your order. And click on the Continue to Shipping button. Here you need to enter a shipping address. Once you have filled all the details, just click on Calculate Shipping. After shipping calculation, you have to select your shipping method from the given options and then click on Continue to Review. Here you can see details of your product. Scroll down and click on Calculate Total. Now on the next page, you have to make the payment. After successfully doing that, your print-on-demand order will be placed. You can see the details of your order under the Order tab on the left sidebar. Gelato also provides memberships. To know more about this, click on the Gelato Plus subscription tab on the left sidebar. Here you can see there are 3 plans that Gelato provides: Free Member, Gelato Plus, and Gelato Plus Gold. You can just scroll down to compare the plans. So this completes our detailed video about Gelato and its features. We hope this video helps you. For more such informative videos, stay tuned and stay subscribed.